Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are back at Carowinds for opening weekend of the 2026 season. Today is going to be a very relaxed visit. We're going to take you guys along as we explore what's new. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Today we are visiting Carowinds for the opening weekend of the 2026 season. Today we will bring you along as we explore and see what's new. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we have arrived. Parking lot is very full for the first day of the 2026 season. We are going to head inside and check out what's new. Alright guys, so we have made it in. And we realized today that the Festival of Music is going on today. So there are quite a bit of people here and some buses outside. But our first stop, I think, is going to be Harmony Hall.
All right, so we're going to be walking around, checking out some of the new things and talking about the new things that's going to be going on in Carowinds this year. But the first thing that we saw was the merch shop here. They have announced that online, but we want to point it out. It's still under construction, and we're excited to see what it looks like soon. All right, so we're hanging left here and going to walk around the park in that direction. But the first ride here, Thunder Striker, you can see the lines are extremely long, and the wait time right now shows 60 minutes and 30 minutes for the fast lane.
And as we were passing by Thunder Striker, we did notice that there's some, at least new to us, merch in the Victory Lane store. So we are going to go right in and check it out, see what's new. Alright guys, so first thing that caught our eye, and rightfully so, is this bright yellow Thunder Striker logo. Looks like they have a variation of t-shirts, hats, they even have some glasses, some wall art, and tumblers. I really like that design, it's very cute. And Tyler had found a license plate, yeah. And on the other side of those shirts, I think I found a shirt that I like even more. It's kind of looks retro. It has some like fading there, but it's also, of course, Thunder Striker themed. It has a nice view of the coaster on the back of this one, and it has some stats.
All right, so we made it into Harmony Hall, and they mentioned that they were remodeling some things to help with the flow with the crowd. And I've noticed that instead of having the door that goes into there and it being completely blocked off into the bar area, it's just completely open, which does make it easy if you happen to go through the main doors there and just want to go straight over that direction. So we renewed our annual passes, and along with that, we renewed our dining plan pass for the whole season. So 2 times a day, we can get a meal. So I want to find something in here for us to kind of snack on or split, and maybe get us some drinks while we're here. All right, so I got the Italian sub here. I think we're going to split this, but let's go get in line and use our pass.
So here is our Italian sub that did come on the meal plan. We had this last year, and I honestly can't even remember if I liked it or not. And I also got one of the new cocktails at Harmony Hall, the rum runner, but I only got pineapple juice with the rum. But we are going to dig into this and let you guys know what we think. Alright guys, and we just left Harmony Hall. As we were coming out, did want to note that the Shake Shack has now been rethemed to Thunder Road Drinks and Snacks, of course, to be able to sell not just milkshakes, but snacks as well. Looks like they have pickles, ices, pretzels, and popcorn on their menu. May have to swing back out for those pickles.
All right, let's walk through the Camp Snoopy camp store and see whatever they've got in here for this year. Looks like they've got some Carowinds specific shirts for 2026. And here's some new items. They're Spirit Jersey, actual Spirit Jersey brand shirts, long sleeve shirts, and a short sleeve crop top. And Courtney likes wearing crop tops a lot, especially at theme parks, so she's found her one to get. And all of this stuff right here that says mood on it, I don't remember seeing that before either, so I think this is new. Hey look, it's Peppermint Patty. We're in line here and we're gonna see her. Hey! And we happen to be walking through over here in Aeronautical Landing and notice this new bar, Mullins Workshop Bar. So there's nothing on the screen yet, and they're not open, so they must still be working on it, but when we come back, maybe it'll be open. Something else new this year, now that everything's officially Six Flags now, they've changed some rules, and a very big rule change is for Copperhead Strike and Fury. So before, you couldn't take anything with you up there. As you may know, they had metal detectors and everything. You couldn't even bring a cell phone with you. Now you can. It just has to be secured in a deep pocket or in a fanny pack. So you can bring pretty much anything you want, and they also allow filming on the ride if you're wearing glasses or sunglasses that have the camera built in. And it seems, like usual, they update the maps here. You can see Carolina Harbor up there near the top. It's going to be opening May 23rd. We will be here. Also, if you haven't been here in a while, the really large stage that they used to have out here, now it's gone. It's just the poured concrete stage there, but hopefully soon they'll have some entertainment out here. Alright guys, we're heading out for the day, but they've got a few of these signs hanging around that show all the events that are coming up this year, and we're going to try to make every single one of these and take you guys with us, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we just got home from Carowinds, wanted to collect our thoughts and tell you guys what we're excited about, you know, for the 2026 season, some things that we did today. Our first stop was to Harmony Hall, and we got the Italian sandwich, and that came with chips. It was on our dining plan, and I tried out the rum runner from Harmony Hall, which as we were going around later in the day, did notice that that was on most of the other bar menus. It was very traditional, nothing really too special about it. I think they had several different types of rum, so it may be your choice. But they had some of the classics like the margaritas and stuff like that, you know, classic cocktails. But what did you think of the sandwich?
It was pretty good. I don't think it's nothing spectacular, just because, you know, at a normal like sandwich shop or something, you can just get exact toppings of what you want. But it was pretty good. I did see some people getting pizza, and it looked delicious.
Bigger helping too.
It looked different than before. So maybe next time we'll try that out. But
yeah,
it was still good though.
I like a little bit more toppings to an Italian sub, not just like meat and cheese. So it wasn't really my favorite, but like Seth said, I mean, it's got the makings of something, you know, like an Italian sub. But we basically made a loop around the park a couple times and really just we're hanging out, you know, with Dawn and Tyler and our other friends that you guys got to see today. But I always like when we pass the water park, I'm always like, I cannot wait for that to open, because we absolutely loved the Palmettos adult section. Absolutely loved it last year, and I'm super excited to go back to that. I'm also excited to see maybe some of the festivals and how they've changed those. Yeah,
because they're one of the returning ones in the summer.
Is now,
well, it was in the summer last year. We missed it.
And it's actually coming up.
Yeah, next month.
Yeah. So I don't know what those changes are going to look like. And of course, Six Flags, you know, this is really kind of like the first year I think we're seeing like the complete merger. So we're really just kind of along for the ride, just like you guys are. But of course, we can't wait for Carowinds, Winterfest, and all that good stuff. But right now, we're looking forward to spring break. I think there's going to be some fun stuff with the Conjuring experience from Carowinds that's going to be happening during spring break. Or scary break. I can't remember what that is.
Scream break.
Scream break. Yeah. So that will be coming up soon, and I'm very excited. I hope we get to go and experience that, and of course, take you guys along with us. But anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video and comment. Let us know if you plan on attending Carowinds this year. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Carowinds content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.